Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Jeep Wagoneer Series 3 in Rocky Mountain Pearl. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, SELEC-TERRAIN system, second row ventilated seats, power deployable running boards, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, hurricane twin turbo engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7025.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.